Show me places where I can make money online is one of the questions we receive from viewers. As some of you are aware, there are numerous unreliable services that never pay off. I'll thus show you the trustworthy websites that can help you make money online in this special edition of the Handy Website series. Some of these are excellent for earning a full or part-time living, but the others I'll list could be useful if you're just searching for a little additional money. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get going. Our first pick is Gazelle. Is a great site for selling an old smartphone or other device that you're no longer using. The site is easy to use. Click on Sell Smart, select your device. I'll go with Samsung. Select your carrier, mine is unlocked, so I'll click on Factory Unlocked. And here it is, click on Get an Offer. In this example, if the condition of the phone was good, because they'll offer would be $255, mine is more in fair condition. So that knocks the offer down to $230, which is $230. More than not selling it and having it collect dust, as though we'll pay for the shipping, and your payment options are PayPal, check, or Amazon gift card, because that was my first choice for selling old electronics. Next up is Shutterstock. Is one of the most popular websites for stock photos. If you have photography skills, you can make money by selling your images. To get your photos accepted by Shutterstock, they must be high quality. Once your images are uploaded and available on Shutterstock, there is the potential that the site can be a great source for passive income, because you'll earn money every time somebody downloads your image. Other places where you can sell your photos include Adobe Stock and the sites owned by Getty, which include Getty Images and iStock. Up next is TranscribeMe. Is an interesting site that will pay you to transcribe audio files with no prior transcription experience needed. All that's required is that you pass a short test and have a computer with a dependable internet connection. They claim to pay between $15 to $22 per audio hour. I have a friend who swears by this company. She says her monthly average is around $400. You can withdraw your funds at any time as long as you've earned at least $1. It won't replace a full-time job, but may come in handy if you're looking for supplemental income. Kicking in is Udemy. If you're the type of person that enjoys teaching people new skills, you might want to give Udemy a try. The site allows anyone to create an online course on just about any subject. This can also be a great form of passive income that will pay you whenever a student takes your course. They'll provide you with the resources you need, along with 24/7 support to get your course up and running. Our last pick is Flippa. Most of you are probably familiar with flipping houses to generate a profit. Flippa is similar, but instead of houses, you buy and sell websites with the hope of making money. They have various business types to choose from, including e-commerce, subscription, and others. You will need to know what you're doing on Flippa, as it does involve financial risk. But if you're able to take an existing site with low revenue and turn it into a profit-generating machine, you could end up making a sizable income reselling that website. Thanks for watching. All the links are in the description. Hopefully this video helped those of you looking to make money online. If it did, give it a thumbs up and share with others. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the most useful websites and other tech-related stuff from Mr. Lim.